Um, I don't think I'll make a video of that one because that one is lame. We'll make Rise of the Slime, or at least color your world looks lame. Next, Bulkovsky Games, Playstack London, Retalaika Games. Should I lower the brightness? Yeah, okay, it looks better. Oh, good. You are conscious. Welcome to the Void, friend. This is a place where your past does not matter and your future does not yet exist. We have chosen you as our hero for a glorious task. The Keeper of Castle has lost vitality, and monsters are running berserk. We shall grant you a new life in the class of an adventurer, so you are able to evolve. Go, do good deeds, and make the land free. And then, make it bow before you. Go now. Okay. Fire, water, poison, fire. Oh, this is a card game. Okay. Slushy the Great. 0 cycles title, maker of 4 choices. Favorite clothing is green socks, apparently. I'm a slime. Base health 40. And my element is fire. Your road begins. Alright. Welcome to the caves. Yeah? This is me, slime. Oh my gosh. Slime on a stick. Doo -doo -doo -doo. Ooh, okay. Let's keep on. Combat! Oh no! You bitch! Turn. Press the A button to select and play cards. Okay. Deal 2 damage, add 2 fire stacks, just wanted to rain of fire. If on fire, gain 2. Fuck it. Let's fuck her over. When discarded card, I have to move closer. How? What the fuck? How do I move closer? I don't know, quick step, I guess. Oh. Stab. Stab. In turn. Shit. My turn. I don't know what she did to me, but I bet it was something that only a bitch would do. I bet. No. Oh my god. Yo, alright, let's see. Forged iron shield, fire stack burns targets. No, I think we burn. We burn the bitch. Die. Die, bitch. Shield, add 2 defense, add defense points. You know what? I guess I'll get defense. Yep. My turn, rusty sword. Can't do shit, bitch. Pick 1 card to add to your deck. Does nothing. Add 6 defense and 1 mana. 50 per chance. Oh, I can't grab that one. Deal 2 damage and add 5 fire to another unit. Hell yeah. Let's keep on going. Enemy dies, gain 1 mana. Okay. Combat. Okay. So this is a card game. Yeah. Okay. This is a quick step. Okay. Let's stab them and set them on fire, and then I will end the turn. And then they're gonna attack me. Turn finished. Here I go. Oh, you bitch. Oh, fuck. That shit hurts, man. What do you think you're doing to me? Oh. What? No. That's not fair. Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna stab the shit out of her. Right, let's go. Hold up. Video ends. Bye bye. Yo, video not over. Very cool. Anyways, I can't undo. I didn't mean to go this far. I'm gonna die. If I die, the video ends. Alright. Reduce fire stock on self. Hell yeah. Forged Iron Shear adds defense. Points equal to your fire stock. Well. Let's add 2 defense. And then let's add this. And then let's attack her. And then we can burn the bitch. Yeah. Too good. Ah. Dagger fan. What? Haha. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna 80% chance to retain your defense at the start of each return. You know what? Sure, yeah. It's not like they can do much anyways, they're gonna die. Hands. Oh my gosh. I've obtained / summoned a pet. Correct. Shield. Shield. Rusty sword. You stupid bitch. This is only backfired on you. Whoa. Bracing failed? Bruh. Doesn't even matter because I have no shields. Burn, bitch, burn. Victory! Oh. Oh. There's so many cards. Deals 2 damage to an enemy. Deals 3 damage. Deals 11 damage? Oh, I can't get the 11 damage one? Oh, that's not fair. Wait, no, yes I can. Yeah. He's singing, bro. He's chilling out. Plays card that is socketed in the pet. I mean, sure. Oh, so much money. Again? Oh, yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna fucking kill them all. I'm gonna kill them all and it's gonna be great. And I'm gonna use my, this dude. And I'll end my turn. Bracing failed. Gay! If I die, yeah, no, if I die, the video ends for sure. Here I go. Shield. Shield. Infected. Does he become better if he's infected? That's pretty gay. Okay. So, man. Oh, I gotta move closer, huh? Okay. Now we can stab him. Yeah, bitch. Shield is gone. Rusty sword deals 3 damage, does 2 damage, and 2 fire stocks. So let's burn the bitch. Yeah. Burn, bitch, burn. 6 damage. Stop. Oh. No. No. This is the end for slime. Fuck. No. My turn. Detoxify. Yes, please. Fuck. Wow. I'm dead. I'm dead. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Fucking shit. Shield. Shield. Oh man. My turn. Shield. Oh! They give him 16 shield? Oh my gosh, that's insane. Oh my gosh, was I really toxified again? I really got toxicities again. I think I should add shield. I don't think damaging would help out. I think I'm pretty much dead. You've been defeated, but your soul remains intact. Proceed to cemetery to try again. Rebirth. Wait, so do I keep the cards that I got? Cemetery of the Ancients. Change crown. Upgrades. What? I want to upgrade. Oh, you need money. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so you can upgrade your you get better after every run. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. You get the gist of the game. You upgrade, you battle.